Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I still think this is very likely to go up and make either a running flat wave C or an expanding flat. I'm definitely leaning towards running flat because I think it needs to take out these previous highs. So, heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as potentially a wave 1. I still think this is a big WXY wave 2. And I still think there's a very good likelihood that this is a wave 3 and it will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows on these higher time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame, we do now have a break of structure. As you can see, it looks like it's holding below structure, probably telling us that this move up right here is over, which is fine. I mean, this move up is very strong. I think that is still going to be a crescent, but instead of being a small crescent, it's probably likely to stretch out into a much bigger crescent, maybe something like this, before it actually does continue the uptrend. And we are in the summer months now, so it does make sense for us to have a corrective pattern over the next month or so. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, this move down right here is definitely not a correction anymore. That is way too impulsive to be like an ABC or something. That for sure to me is probably a wave A. That means that when it does make its next move up, it's not going to be the continuation of the uptrend. It's most likely going to be a wave B. Then eventually it probably will go back down for a wave C before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this, like I said, this is definitely not a correction anymore. It's not an ABC. This is for sure a shape of a trend. It even could be just a wave 3, but it probably is already a 3, a 4, and a 5 of wave A. Like I was just saying on the 4 hour time frame, that means that if it does turn up, which it probably will turn up now that it broke structure, that means that this next move up is not going to be the continuation of the uptrend. This next move up will most likely be a crescent to the move down, like a wave B of a bigger ABC correction. So I still think this is a crescent, just like I've been saying, but instead of making a little crescent to the last wave up, it's more than likely now going to make a crescent to the whole wave up on like the 4 hour and daily time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.